Mass relays are probably the most recognizable structure from the Mass Effect series. These iconic structures hold a dark truth, however. In this video, we'll be looking at what mass relays are, the dangers of mass relays, and the dark truth behind their creation. Mass relays are superstructures found in space in the Mass Effect universe. They are 15 kilometers long and 5 kilometers wide, and are made of a practically indestructible material. In the middle, they have a giant glowing orb of element 0. Mass relays send ships to other mass relays in an instant, whereas without the mass relays, the trip would take years. Mass relays are one of the single reasons that galactic civilization in the Mass Effect universe is where it is today. So what is it that makes these mass relays so dangerous? For starters, exploring unknown mass relays is dangerous. There are many mass relays that remain inactive in the Mass Effect universe. This is presumably because it is unknown what is on the other side of the mass relay. This policy started after the Rachni Wars, a war which the galactic community almost lost to a hostile and aggressive alien species known as the Rachni. Fearful of encountering another species like the Rachni, the Council prohibited activating mass relays unless what was on the other end was known. Probably the most famous example of a dangerous mass relay is the Omega-4 relay. This relay glows an ominous red, instead of the cooling glow of the other relays. Hundreds of ships have passed through this relay, however not a single one has returned. When the Normandy SR-2, the only ship to ever pass through this relay and return past through the relay, they are greeted by the debris of the ship that never returned. Another example of the dangers of mass relays is what happens when one gets destroyed. I mentioned earlier that mass relays are made of a practically indestructible material. However, mass relays can be destroyed, as was the case with the Alpha relay. Commander Shepard destroyed this relay by flying an asteroid into it. The resulting explosion was comparable to a supernova and killed all 300,000 Batarians living in the Bahak system. Now that we have looked at the dangers of mass relays, let's take a look at the dark truth about these superstructures. While many people in the Mass Effect universe believe mass relays were made by the Protheans, a highly advanced race that has been extinct for 50,000 years, the truth is, mass relays were created by the highly intelligent Reapers. As anyone who has played Mass Effect 3 knows, the Reapers' only apparent goal is to wipe out all advanced organic life. So why did the Reapers build the mass relays if they were just going to wipe out all the advanced life that used and benefited from them? Before we answer that, we must look at the purpose of these advanced organic machines. Every 50,000 years, the Reapers start what is called a harvest. During the harvest, the Reapers wipe out all advanced spacefaring races. In order to aid with the harvest, the Reapers built the mass relays. The mass relays ensure that civilizations grow as the Reapers want them to, making it easier for the Reapers to wipe out all spacefaring races. Mass relays also speed up the time it takes for species to reach a certain point. Earlier, I pointed out that mass relays turn trips that would normally take years into almost instant. This was the Reaper's plan. The time between harvests are now much shorter. The Citadel itself, the gathering point of all civilization, is a mass relay as well. This mass relay leads directly to where the Reapers are hibernating in an unknown region of space, meaning the symbol of hope and unity in the ME universe is actually a secret trap employed by the Reapers. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, why not leave a like to show your support. If you enjoy my content, why not subscribe so you always see whenever I upload. God bless, and hope to see you guys in the next video.